Namaskaram and Swagatam, dear friends, to my channel Fluent in Malayalam. So today we are going to continue with our Vowel Diacritics chapter. So today we are going to see how oo when combined with consonants appear in words. Okay, so let's see that. So here are some consonants, and when combining with the vowel oo, how it will look like in writing is what I have written here. So we'll go through them, each of them, and see how the pronunciation goes. First is ku, ku, chu, chu. Third is tu, tu. Fourth is tu, tu. Fifth is pu, pu. So that is the short one, u. Oh, that is how it is written. So let us see some examples to better understand this. First example is kutti, kutti. So kutti means child. Kutti means child. Kutti. Tuni. Second example is tuni. Tuni means cloth. Cloth is tuni. Pustagam. Pustagam. Pustagam means book. Book. Pustagam. Muri. Muri. Muri means room. Room. Marunnu. Marunnu. Marunnu is medicine. Medicine. Some of these words you already know, but now you are looking on to the diacritic part of the words. So I know a lot of these words you know even before this video, so it is very easy for you now to relate it. Oh yeah, this is how it is written when a consonant and a vowel come in. So that is it. Marunnu. Marunnu is medicine. Tanuppu. Tanuppu. Tanuppu means cold. Cold as in cold weather. That is tanuppu. Tanuppu. So next one is nuna. Nuna. Nuna means lie. Nuna means lie. Next is muttam. Muttam. Muttam means courtyard. Courtyard is muttam. Muttam. Okay. So next one is gunam. Gunam. Gunam means quality. Quality. Next is pudiya. Pudiya. Pudiya means new. New. So those were 10 examples using the vowel diacritic oo. So now you know how it is written and how to read when it comes in a word. So that was it for today, dear friends. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any doubts or suggestions, put that in the comment section. I'll be reading that. And as always, don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Namaskaram.